What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Chinaza. Welcome back to Re-Education Project. In this video, I'm going to be doing a review of Legendary Marketer, what I like about the system, what I don't like about the system. So a little overview of what I'm going to be talking about. What is Legendary Marketer? Who is it for? Who is it not for? The products, the affiliate program, and my overall pluses and deltas with the system. So let's hop right into it. So what is Legendary Marketer? So Legendary Marketer is an internet education platform that was started by the 9-year digital marketing vet, David Sharp, and it's essentially geared to educate and equip business owners with tools to grow and scale their business. So who is it for? So it's for anyone who is considering starting a business or is currently in a business. So it's for affiliate marketers, network marketers, coaches and consultants, as well as, like I mentioned before, folks that are interested in starting a business or wanting to grow and scale the business. This is not for people who want a get rich quick scheme and people who are looking for a next shiny object. So they're opportunity seekers, jumping from one thing to the next, right? So that's what it's not for. And just something I want to add, this is a great educational platform that you can actually offer to other business owners who are looking for a way to grow their business online, right? Because oftentimes in network marketing companies, there is very generic training on knowing the products and understanding the company, but they don't get into the nitty gritty of actually how to market your products effectively online. So this is something that's good to offer your team members and maybe other folks that you come across either online or offline that are looking to grow their businesses as well if they're happy with where they're at in their current business. So now for the product line. So there's a lot of different products that Legendary offers. So the first one I want to draw your attention to is the 15-day online business builder challenge. So when it first came out, it was started at $0, so it's completely free when it first came out, and essentially it teaches you how to grow and launch your online business. So it's a total of 15 days, and each day is geared towards a different topical area. So day one is, the number one secret to building a high ticket, high profit business online. And then we can go to day 5, which talks about developing your business plan, right? And then day 9 talks about high income skill number 1 is lead generation. So how to get leads and sales, because leads are the lifeline of your business. So it's important to learn different ways that you can actually get more leads, which can lead to more sales in your business. And so the beautiful thing about this is you don't have to be a member to be a part, you don't have to be a member of Legendary Marketer to be a part of the online business builder bootcamp. And you get an advisor, a business advisor, to map out a personalized plan for you. And just as a side note, so there's an upsell in the middle of a challenge to take advantage of the business blueprints, which I'll mention a little bit later. But it's not required. So you have the option to do that or not. So the next product that is offered is the Legendary Book. So it is priced at $9.95, which includes the shipping. And there is an upsell with the book. So the book essentially, if you're the type of person that, likes having a physical copy of things and wants to like take notes in it and everything, it basically teaches you what the boot camp teaches you, the business builder challenge teaches you. Essentially the same sort of principles how to grow, your online business. And it's $9.95, and there is an upsell if you want the audiobook for $14.95. So you can take that with you, on the road, or if you're in the car, driving or whatever the case may be. So the next thing I want to draw your attention to is the Marketers Club. So this is basically like the Netflix of, yeah, I don't have that, but it's basically the Netflix of the online marketing space. So within the Marketers Club, you have access to in-depth trainings as well as interviews with top affiliates in Legendary Marketer, as well as Kevin Harrington, who is part of Shark Tank. So he did an interview about entrepreneurial pitch. So how do you pitch your business to other people, right? And so there's valuable things like that. And then also, lead generation, how to set up a fan page, how to create your lead generation system, right? There's things about YouTube because the top affiliates in Legendary Marketer use YouTube as their major platform or one of their major platforms, using stories to sell your products and services and your opportunities online, and just overall how to sell more. So that's what the Marketers Club is, and it's priced at $30. So next is the Traffic Rolodex bundle, which I think is absolutely amazing. So there are 9 different trainings about paid advertising. So it teaches you how to run paid ads in like Google or Facebook or Instagram, Twitter, how to create landing pages, and YouTube as well. So that's a little bit if you want to, definitely scale your business faster. Ads is a great way to do that. And honestly, you just need to focus on one. So pick, one that you want to focus on and become a master at that. And that's actually priced at $247 for all the 9 modules. Okay. So next thing is the business blueprints, which I think is one of the best things about this platform. And so let's hop into it. So I'm gonna start with the affiliate business blueprint, hosted by the one and only Steph Perez, who is a 10-year veteran in marketing. And her major thing is affiliate marketing. So she has grown a healthy 6-figure business with affiliate marketing. And she's also added coaching. So she walks you through how from start to finish, how to start your affiliate business, right? So what do you need to do? Email marketing, getting traffic, different affiliate opportunities, choosing your niche, etc. So that's what she does. Then next is the digital products blueprint, which is hosted by Mark Harbert, who is an amazing marketer. And he teaches you how to build your own course, right? And how to put it on Udemy, which is a e-learning or online educational platform where you can host your course and people can buy them. And that's, created a revenue stream for you aside from your primary business, right? And then next is events and masterminds, hosted by the founder and CEO of Legendary Marketer, David Sharp. So similar thing, he teaches you how exactly you can create an event or mastermind, like things to consider, how to set it up, how to find speakers, how to create a profitability plan, how to sell tickets, how to pack your event. So there's some of the things that he goes over in this business blueprint. And last but not least, we have the coaching and consulting blueprint. Again, hosted by David Sharp because he actually does this, right? So these are things he actually does. He's done all of these things. So, how do you start your coaching and consulting business? So, there's a lot of folks who are coaches but may not be profitable in their coaching business, profitable in their consulting business, right? So, it teaches you step by step how exactly to do that. If you are a coach or you are a consultant, or you're considering becoming one of those things. So, that's something really cool. And all of these are priced individually at $2,500. So if you want all 10, it's $10,000. And so, because each of them is priced at 2,500. But with the deal during the business builder blueprint, during the business builder challenge, excuse me, you can get a deal on that, which I'll talk about later. So that's the business blueprints. And so live events. So there's 4 live events. So DFY, which is Done For You Brand Builder. So it's essentially a unique opportunity where you can actually have your pictures taken for your website, where you have all your, funnels created. Everything is done for you. It's a really great opportunity for you to get your brand up and running, done by folks like you have a professional photographer, the whole nine. So it's really dope. And that's actually priced at $10,000. The marketing mastermind focuses on lead generation. Yeah, focuses on basically lead generation and things that you need to grow a healthy business, essentially. So yeah, traffic, lead generation, all of that. So the components of becoming an excellent marketer, and that is priced at $8,000. And the entrepreneur mastermind is priced at $12,000. And this teaches you, health, wealth, wisdom, and growth tips and performance strategies to protect your wealth and to become the best you that you can be. All right. And so that's that. And so affiliates, let's go into affiliates. So there are 2 different ways that you can get actually started with Legendary Marketer as an affiliate. So there is the pro, there is the basic, which I currently have actually, but I'm going to definitely upgrade to pro. And so you have to apply for it. So it's different from other affiliate programs, you have to apply. And so you have to apply to become an affiliate of Legendary Marketer. And so the basic, you get 5 to 30% of the commissions, and pro, you get 20 to 60%. And pro right now is at $29.95 per month to become a part of that. And just want to share with you positives and negatives. So I think positives about Legendary Marketer is that they offer products at different price ranges. So they're targeting, a large number of people. That a lot of people can be involved at Legendary Marketer at different levels, right? Obviously, the more that you pay, the more value you get from the products. That's what's called a value ladder. So that's really cool. The fact that when you become a customer, you get a business advisor who helps you grow your business. You can ask them questions about anything done with your business. The community is absolutely amazing. Legendary community is second to none. Some things that I would definitely change is having a more expansive training library for customers, maybe even including an e-commerce portion of Legendary Marketer in the training, and the fact that you need to purchase the pro to get higher commissions.